Welcome to the official launch of the Mac Ultra family, and thanks a lot to everyone joining us here today. This is a big day for us, and I'm extremely excited and also very proud about what we're going to present in a minute. I hope you'll enjoy the presentation and get some appetite to see the real thing very soon. Before we dive into our new product, I'd like to introduce you to Asger Andersen, head of the Martin Engineering organization.
Welcome to the Martin Engineering headquarters in Aarhus, Denmark. This is actually exactly the place where the entire development of the Mac Ultra, the guest star of the day, was developed. During these last couple of years, we've actually, to enable the new product portfolio, invested heavily in Martin R&D. Actually, during the last couple of years, we have more than doubled the amount of engineering talent to leave us with an organization today of more than 70 people, 70 dedicated lighting engineers. 35 of these lighting engineers are located exactly here in Aarhus, Denmark, in our headquarters, whereas the other 35 engineers are located in our Shenzhen Design Center. The entire team is dedicated to do Martin lighting development. Furthermore, we have invested heavily in state-of-the-art mechanical, optical, and environmental test laboratories, both here in Denmark and in China, to enable more products faster at the exact same quality as we want to have for Martin products. In parallel to these investments in our setup, we have developed the Mac Ultra. And the Mac Ultra, I'm proud to say, is the most sophisticated achievement we've ever made in the history of Martin. Actually, we have invested more than double the amount of engineering hours than any Martin product ever before in history. Furthermore, we have ensured through tens of thousands of test hours on the Mac Ultra that this product is as robust as any Martin product we have ever developed. We are extremely proud about this product. This is a product completely to our core design philosophy, namely ensuring the ultimate balance between light output, light quality, size, and robustness. In order to achieve that, we have had all our systems being tailor-made to one another. What does that mean? That means that our internal design engineers here in Aarhus, they have completely made from a blank sheet of paper the light engine, and that light engine is tailor-made for the optical system. The optical system is designed from a blank sheet of paper here in Aarhus and is tailor-made to fit that light engine and fit the entire mechanical structure. The entire mechanical structure is designed from scratch and completely tailor-made to fit the overall size and all the robustness and tolerance requirements that we have to the product. The product as it is today is the perfect balance between all these different design elements and has only been achievable by very, very close cooperation between all the different engineering functions. It has been a tour de force in cooperation and in systems integration between the mechanical engineering team, the electrical engineering team, optical engineering team, firmware engineering team, test and validation engineering team, all located here in our premises in Aarhus. We truly believe that this product that we are launching today, the Mac Ultra, is more than the sum of its elements. And actually, that is what it's all about for us. We want to provide products that give value beyond its specifications. We are massively proud of this product, and we are very, very excited to be able to present it to you today. Thanks.
Okay, let's dive in and have a look at the products. On the right, we have the Mac Ultra Wash, and on the left, the Mac Ultra Performance. Together you will learn that they form a very strong couple. Before I continue to talk more, we want to run a short video for you. The Mac Ultra family is our new top-end, high-power LED moving light family aimed at the major production market. It is built to support the biggest and most demanding live events, that be concert and touring, festivals, corporate events, esports, even performing arts, you name it. As you will learn, the Mac Ultra equals extreme output, but you will also discover that this new family is way more than that. Mac Ultra is innovation, pushing performance to new levels, setting new standards, and making everything you love about your favorite Mac work even better. By the end of the day, we want Mac Ultra to help lift the quality and the visual impact on any show it features. What has also been key to us is delivering a true workhorse. A workhorse that can be the backbone of the entire show in different types of events, be versatile, secure high utilization, and ultimately also deliver great return on investment. Mac Ultra will supply all this market-leading and sustainable concepts that will secure a long and healthy life, just like you would expect from any Mac moving light. In other words, we have designed Mac Ultra to deliver a lot, to be used anywhere, to make sure that everything it does extremely well. Whilst there are a lot of things the two family members have in common, let us first focus on the Mac Ultra performance. Being a Mac performance unit, you have probably already guessed that this product features a framing system. That is totally correct. We will later share some exciting news about this new concept that we've named Margin Extended Framing. The Mac Ultra performance is based on an 1150 watt 6000 Kelvin proprietary LED light engine, it pushes an impressive real 46,500 lumens and 2.6 megacandela out of the fixture's 160mm front lens. The light engine also provides high-resolution dimming, strobing, and Martin's unique animotion effect. A 1:7 zoom range and precision focus control is provided from the refined optical system. The extensive feature packet consists of a very uniform color mixing, variable CTO, additional color and spectral correction filters, and an innovative framing system. We also have 2 layers of rotating gobos, Martin's full-blown and patented animation wheel, iris, frost and prism effects, and finally, responsive and accurate pan and tilt. This is the first time we combine 2 rotating gobo wheels with framing, animation wheel, and iris. Control can be done via standard DMX, ArtNet, SACN, and Martin's P3. As already mentioned, Mac Ultra is about extreme output. However, where other products usually lose a lot of their light output towards the narrow end of the zoom, the Mac Ultra performance excels in keeping the output. This gives the Mac Ultra additional punch on long throw applications and makes it superior on bigger stages. Whilst it could be tempting to go for a very high color temperature and make a shortcut towards better output numbers, our engineers have gone the hard way and designed the proprietary light engine around latest LED technology to ensure demanded 6000 Kelvin output with a high quality and vivid daylight balanced spectral distribution.
In a new product, lumens density is very important to us. Packing as many lumens within a given size and weight of a fixture. In the Mac Viper performance, we achieve 686 lumens per kilo. In the Mac Ultra, we have 1057 lumens per kilo. That's an improvement of 54%.
Another thing that I'm very proud of is the refinement of the optical system. With remarkably higher projection resolution, incredibly sharpness across the field, and vastly enhanced contrast, the Mac Ultra performance features our best and most impressive projection system ever. Morphing from one global plane to another, or even towards the framing system, is second to none. This works without killing the light output, even when multiple effects are stacked. Martin featured the first built-in automated framing system back in 1995. Over the years, we have continued to refine the system in our product developments, and I'm pleased to announce that the Mac Ultra performance is now coming with a more radical lift to the concept. By means of our next generation framing system, the Mac Ultra performance is set to raise the bar for geometric capabilities and ease of programming. Where other systems have no tilting of the shutter blades at the very edge of the beam and only obtain the specified range when the blades are fully inserted, the new Martin extended framing system gives you the fully specified tilting from the very outside of the beam and all the way across to the opposite side. This means limit-free, full curtain functionality. So what is the real benefit? Well, you are now able to produce geometric shape that uses a bigger portion of the field. You get more light onto your stage and throw away less light inside the product. This means that you no longer need to compensate by zooming out, but instead you keep your light levels intact.
For the Mac Ultra, we designed the new Martin extended framing system. Many systems in the market are based on a 4-layer architecture, with some limitations to insert and angling. We decided to go for a 2-layer system with virtually one focal plane. We have completely individual control of the angling and the insert, enabling us to go ± 30 degrees angling throughout the entire insert positions. On top of that, the entire framing module can rotate ± 83 degrees.
Furthermore, the use of programming of this system is now simplified, allowing as expected behavior in the first try rather than trial and error into the desired framing projection. The system is also extremely fast and, needless to say, comes with benchmark precision and repeatability. Finally, Mac Ultra managed to keep the 4 framing blades in only 2 layers instead of 4 that you see on most systems today. Because of that, the 4 shutter blades touch the very same focal plane and you will experience a very even focus across all. We have now talked much about the Mag Ultra Performance, but we're not only launching one product, but a very strong couple. The other member of the family is the Mag Ultra Wash. So what is the Mag Ultra Wash? It's about going back to the roots of what a real powerful wash light is, and a concept we've been asked to do by many designers. Our philosophy is simple. It's about having a clear differentiation in terms of performance, look and cost between the projection unit and the wash companion. It's about great wash capability, excessive output, a huge look and simplicity in control. And this is exactly what we've done with the Mag Ultra Wash. Based on the same LED light engine as the Mag Ultra Performance, the super optimized optical system of the Mag Ultra Wash pushes an insane 63,500 lumens and 4.5 megacandela out of the fixture's massive 220mm front lens. In a nutshell, this is our brightest and most powerful moving head that we've ever built. We have designed the dimming and color capabilities to match across the performance and the wash. With 1:10 zoom ratio capability, the Mag Ultra Wash delivers anything from tight and long throw beams to very wide and beautiful wash fields. With the extreme output delivered by the Mag Ultra family, you may anticipate these products to be very noisy as they do require fan cooling. However, the cooling system of the Mag Ultra family is so efficient that you'll be surprised to hear how quiet the fixtures really are. The products will easily fit into even the most noise-sensitive productions. With that, they're not only great for concert and touring, but also ideal for broadcast and even theatrical shows.
With a lot of output comes a lot of heat. We have 5 different cooling systems. We have one in the base, one for the LEDs, one for the LED drivers. Then we have a filtered air intake here, taking fresh air into the head and with air outlets here. There's also a separate cooling for the gate area because of the high output we take through the fixture. These systems are individually controlled, and it actually allowed us a lower noise level than expected.
Let us go back and talk a little more about the family. One of the major efforts behind a Mag moving head development is condensing a comprehensive feature set, make every feature work really well on its own and in any combination. It's about pushing performance levels to maximum, yet keeping it all in a slick and compact design. In addition, we think about how we can integrate smart functions in the industrial design, thereby adding value to the product.
We have 2 variants, the Wash and the Performance. They are one family, but 2 unique individual products. The 2 product variants have a lot of the design language in common, but they also do have some distinct features that makes it easy to tell them apart. The Mag Ultra has a long optical system, a serious cooling unit, and a comprehensive effects module in the middle. All these parts take up space. We wanted to make sure that the outer industrial design does not steal any more space, so we wanted to go close to them and be as compact and tight and sleek as possible. So during the course of development, the cooling systems have changed several times, and the industrial design had to follow and to adapt to these changes. Talking about service and handling, we want it to be as easy as possible. For the Ultra series to be a true Martin moving head, we've worked with serviceability and with access. The entire architecture, the assembly breakdown, the wiring, and the logic of how everything connects, all of these have been carefully iterated to support touring and life on the road.
Finally, securing ease of service via smart designs and modularity, and providing best-in-class robustness and reliability are also signature attributes of a Mag moving light. Mag Ultra is no exception to this rule and capitalizes on 25 years of Mag moving head development.
Like with any other Mag moving head, the Mag Ultra is going through an extensive test and validation program with more than 35 different verification activities. All tests done to ensure the reliability and quality of the product is met prior to launching the product. The test and verification activities ranges from extreme cold, extreme high temperature test like seen behind me in the temperature chamber, to humidity, smoke and dust and salt mist test like seen on this product. All tests performed to ensure the product is capable of surviving the tough life on tours. The mechanical robustness of the product has also been verified by a number of tough and challenging vibration and bump tests. By having these test facilities in-house, this enables us to quickly do mechanical improvements and redo the test to verify that the improvements has been effective. All in all, the couple of MAG Ultra Performance and Wash has already been running thousands of testing hours to validate the product design prior to launch.
To round off the construction of the MAG Ultra family, I just want to mention that the product incorporates Martin's patented yoke handles, tilt dock, permanently incorporated follow spot handles, tools-free replacement of air filters, base layout with connectors and UI on only one side, and, needless to say, incorporates our standard Omega brackets. So the MAG Ultra family is about world-class output, but it's also about much more. It is about how our proprietary optical solution maintains that extreme output across the zoom range, about our most precise optics ever designed, featuring market-leading resolution and contrast. It's about a truly innovative framing system with extended geometric capabilities and ease of programming, about a cooling system that is so efficient that you won't believe how quiet the fixture is, and, not least, how all of this plus much more works together in the most compact and robust fashion that you would only expect from a real Mac. Capitalizing on 25 years of Mac engineering, the MAG Ultra is our strongest workhorse ever built. MAG Ultra family, the new standard.